analysis in India, only on ET Now.
Clock, that means it's time for Markets at Lunch. Hi everyone, I'm Avandaba.
We've got CK Narayan with trading ideas for the day.
Let's get in a technical view then from CK Narayan, who is with us as always on the show. CK, you do have quite a decent pullback which has come to the markets over the past 2 days. Would you term this as a relief rally, or do you think that it's just technical pullback?
Well, I don't think there's really too much of a difference between a technical rally and a relief rally as most of the people in the market define it. The two terms are used almost sort of synonymously with each other. But be that as it may, what we are seeing is clearly a rally which spread up pretty swiftly. We saw almost near 4,700 and we saw almost near 5,000 today morning. So I think 300 points in about a day and a half was a little too much for the market to take, perhaps in a single stride, which is probably why we are seeing some amount of halt. But if you look at the way the stocks have all lined up, I think you have a pretty decent mix of large cap stocks in both the losers list and the gainers list.
Right.
In the losers list, you are actually seeing some amount of profit taking, which is why they are on the losers list. They're not really witnessing any kind of selling, and the gainers are persisting with the gains. So I think if you put those two pieces of evidence together, you can say that this particular rally is clearly having some more legs. It's just sort of suffering a bit of profit taking from those initial set of players who managed to get in at lower levels. So I think there's more to come, but it's not going to be a kind of one-way ride. There's going to be backing and filling periodically. But I would say at lower levels, look to go long again, because I think this rally has some more room to run on the upside.
Okay, there's more room to this rally, says CK Narayan.